In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set trailing stop loss in TradingView. A trailing stop is a dynamic level that follows price as it moves in your favor and helps lock in profits if the market reverses. We'll use an ATR-based trailing stop, which adapts to volatility, so the stop isn't too tight in choppy markets or too loose when things are calm. Start by opening your chart in TradingView for the symbol and time frame you're trading. Make sure you're on the time frame that matches your strategy, because your stop levels will be calculated from that chart's data. Next, click the Indicators button at the top left. In the search bar, type ATR trailing stop and select the indicator from the list. Once it loads, you'll see a line plotting either above or below price. When it's below price, it typically represents the stop for a long position. When it moves above price, it can indicate a stop for a short position. Think of this line as your adaptive moving exit level. To tailor it to your strategy, right-click the indicator line on the chart and choose Settings. In the Inputs tab, adjust the length and the multiplier. Length is the ATR period. Higher values smooth the stop and make it less reactive. The multiplier sets how far the stop sits from price in ATR units. A higher multiplier widens the stop to reduce whipsaws, while a lower one tightens it to protect profits sooner. Day traders often prefer shorter lengths and smaller multipliers for faster response, while swing traders may choose longer lengths and larger multipliers for more breathing room. Make a small change, observe how the line shifts, and keep tweaking until it matches your risk tolerance. Switch to the Style tab to customize colors, line thickness, and visibility so the stop is easy to see against your chart. Clear visuals reduce errors when markets move quickly. When you're happy with the setup, click OK to apply and finalize your configuration. Remember, this indicator doesn't place orders. It gives you the level. You'll still need to manage the trade manually or via your broker connection. To get notified when price touches the stop, right-click the indicator line again and select Add Alert. Choose the indicator's alert condition that triggers when price crosses the trailing stop. Set how long you want the alert to run, pick your notification methods, and confirm the settings. Click Create to activate it. Before relying on it live, test your settings on historical charts or paper trading. If you later change the indicator inputs, update your alert so it matches. This workflow gives you a clear, rules-based trailing stop that adapts to volatility and keeps you informed the moment your exit level is hit.